बनकर तैयार हो चुका है और कुछ ही समय के बाद आम जनता को समर्पित कर दिया जाएगा। लोगों की आवाजाही जो है
देखिए यहाँ पर जो है मिठाई बांटी जा रही है।
The recent heavy rains triggered heavy floods across Jammu, Samba, Patwa, Pathankot and Gurdaspur, which caused widespread damage to the infrastructure and also impacted our people. Responding with urgency, the Indian Army immediately launched large-scale rescue and relief operations in close coordination with the civil administration. Since 26th of August, Indian Army soldiers of Rising Star Corps have braved the raging floodwaters and adverse weather by deploying multiple rescue missions supported by Army and Air Force helicopters. The Army proactively employed required number of rescue columns along with the requisite equipment and rescued over 1,000 stranded personnel, including the children, the students and paramilitary personnel, while also restoring the critical communication links to Jammu and Srinagar by swiftly laying alternate optical fiber cable lines over this bridge. Alongside rescue, essential medical aid, food and relief material was also provided. The heavy rains and the floods also severely damaged the eastern portion and the approach to Tavi Bridge number 4, where we are standing, a lifeline for movement in Jammu. With repairs likely to take time, the engineers of Tiger Division have constructed a 110 feet long Bailey Bridge under challenging conditions, overcoming washed out approaches and limited workspace. This bridge has been constructed and completed just about under 12 hours. Indian Army's efforts have been in close coordination with the civil administration and other agencies. We thank all of them for their support. Additional Army resources remain on standby to tackle any other emerging challenges. Jai Hind.